Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today we are gonna learn another song, another highly requested song. It's named Utnapishtim. Utnapishtim is a pretty cool song. Made it for the new album Swag Boy. So let's jump right to it, shall we? First chord is a B half diminished seventh. You may be wondering, what the heck is a B half diminished seventh? So it's a chord. Yeah, it's a chord. So this is how you play it. So on the low E string, middle finger on the 7th fret. Now on the D string, 7th fret, ring finger. And then on the G, it's also a 7th fret with a pinky finger. And then the pointer finger goes to the 6th fret of the B string. Then you only play those chords you fret. All the A and E, the A and high E, you don't play those. Do not play those. They will add worsening qualities to the song. So all together, 7th on E, 7th on D, 7th on G, 6th on B. Play that together. So now time to learn how to play the song. So thumb on the E and the other fingers gonna pluck. So it's gonna go like an important part of the song is also to stop the strings from making sound once you pluck this, because you need to release the strings once you pluck this. So up to regular speed. Utnapishtim, 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 Maxer. Okay, so that was the verse. Time for the chorus. So it starts regularly. So those two other chords, this is called an E minor 7, and this is called an A minor 7. So an E minor 7 is when you play the E minor bar chord but remove the pinky finger. And then the other chord, A minor 7, play an A minor but remove the pinky finger. So when you play it all together, also you do the same plucking pattern. Remember that plucking pattern, it's important. Thumb, fingers, thumb, fingers, thumb, fingers, thumb, fingers. So you have to do this 2 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then when you go to the A minor, you need to do it 2 times. So you alternate the bass. You pluck for the first pluck, it's the E string, and then for the next pluck, you use your thumb on the A string. Regular speed. Now for the solo. The solo, it's a chromatic sequence down the neck, starting from the 15th fret high E to to the 12th fret of the low E. So you use all 4 of your fingers, 15, 14, 13, 12 on the high E, and then on the B string, 16, 15, 14, 13. The next, for the G string, 16, 15, 14, 13. Then on the D string, it's the same, 16, 15, 14, 13. 16, 15, 14, 13. 16, 15, until when you go to the E string, 16, 15, 14, 13, and you go to 12. Up to regular speed. Just repeat that until the verse continues. So that's it. Make sure you guys subscribe. More tutorials like this coming soon. This was Utnapishtim in the album Swag Boy, and peace out.